Hi, welcome back to another quick Message Center update. Today we're going to be talking about Message Center ID 238795, and this is about aligning the experience for creating a team using the different teams interfaces. So this is going to bring more consistency to the way that teams are created across the different services, such as the desktop and the web client and the admin center. Key points here. This is aimed for a mid-March 2021 rollout, and it's a tenant level change. So this will automatically be rolled out to users and be the new interface that people see. So I'm just going to read through some of the key points here that are useful to know. So for new teams created via the Teams Admin Center after this update, teams will send a welcome emails to new members rather than group welcome emails. So before, when users were added to a team, they would get an Office 365 groups focus email. You've been added to a group, now it's going to be a Teams-based email. So members of the new team will not receive updates for events scheduled in the group calendar. And unlike the current teams created in the Teams Admin Center, after this change, new teams will be hidden in Outlook experiences, such as Outlook on the web, Outlook desktop, and the new team will not be displayed in the address book, an address list for selected messages or recipients, or in the Browse Groups dialog when searching for groups. So obviously be aware there, if users are used to finding Microsoft Teams in those locations, new teams created after this update will not be showing up there. So as a Teams admin, you might want to just be aware of that. So if you do want to continue having the current user experience for Teams that are created in the Teams Admin Center, then the recommendation from Microsoft is to use the Groups Graph API to create your teams. And you also might want to notify your team's admins about this change, so you can update your training materials should you have anything like that. So subtle update, but something that users may notice. So hopefully you are now prepared for that. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you next time.